Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. We are trying to enter the world of timeless elegance with nice dresses now. For its intricate weaving, rich silk and royal styles, Narsi Italia is treasured in every Indian wardrobe. Your bride to be a fashion lover or someone about India culture, this video will take you beautiful journey to stay strand. Let's begin with a touch of history. The Banarsi dresses has its roots in Banarsi, also known as Benares, one of the oldest living cities in the world. It's said that even during the Mughal era, Banarsi weavers were creating stunning brocade using gold and silver threads. These dresses were once reserved only royalty due to luxury materials and time-consuming process. Passed down throughout generations, the art of Banarsi weaving has remained a proud tradition with families dedicating their lives of this craft. Latest and beautiful styles, most beautiful best dresses designs, ideas and most beautiful images. A pure silk fabric now for the soft features and different styles. Light white with intricate embroidery, perfect for modern style. Ideal for flowy, easy to wear dress and dresses. Used to capitalize and patterns. The most common technique where patterns are woven with gold or silver zari. Beautiful heavy floral motifs now for color patterns, woven with single or double colored silk thread. A less expensive version of brocade with floral motifs. A light glimmering fabric perfect for festive wear. Elegant and stylish long the same crease rotate fall. Store with muslin cloth to let it breathe. Keep away from direct sunlight to prevent fading. And that was your complete guide to the magical Banarsi dress. We hope you gained deeper applications for this beautiful art form. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fashion, sunlight and culture stories. Do you know Banarsi dresses or are you planning to buy one? Beautiful styles, beautiful dresses, ideas. And most beautiful beaded styles, beautiful jacket style, dresses designs, dresses colors and dresses ideas. The Banarsi waves as a knot in today florals during the Mughal periods when Persian motifs met in the India craftsmanship. It was during this era that luxury textiles, gold thread embroideries and silk artistry began to define royal fashion. Some taking up to 6 months for weave a single sari dresses. Every Banarsi pieces tells a story, not just how its patterns and colors, but how the hand that shaped it weavers is what artists add beautiful styles, most beautiful dresses ideas and beautiful dresses designs. So latest and beautiful new dresses designs, new beautiful colors, beautiful styles, and most beautiful best dresses designs ideas. So my beautiful peoples and my beautiful family, uh, you will see the stylish and different awesome colors, dark colors, light color, different styles often form families who passed down the craft out generations, created intricate brocades, some taking to 6 months to weave a single sari or dresses. Every recipe tells a story, not just how its patterns and colors, but how the hands that shape it. The weaver is both artist and historian. Pure silk fabric woven with fine thread, soft, smooth, and often used to traditional saris and lehengas. More fluid and comfortable to modern wear like gowns or suit. Visual fabric used to designs and different styles, different designs ideas. The richness of this fabric is enhanced with zari work, metallic threads, traditional made of real silvers and gold. Modern versions often use art silk or tested zari to make theme more attractive with losing the shine. One of the oldest styles featuring floral motifs, all are its rich, elaborate, and perfect for bridal wear. Dyes dresses are not only about fabric and weave. The designs and motifs play a role in their beauty, inspired by Mughal gardens, traditional and timeless. And architectural elements reflecting ancient India places and finished emporic of cultures and beautiful modern designers are now blending this with traditional form. Often on weddings for festivals period with construction dupattas or blouse, perfect or receptions and Paris first wear that blends traditional styles beautiful color combinations and most beautiful best full sleeve designs ideas for dresses designs ideas on my channel. So guys, you will see the stylish and latest most beautiful best new designs and most beautiful best dresses ideas, most beautiful best pictures, best videos, latest and beautiful designs, latest and most beautiful best collections and most beautiful best dresses ideas to my channel. So guys, enjoy my all videos and don't skip my videos for watching my videos. Latest and beautiful awesome colors, beautiful styles, most beautiful best designs ideas and most beautiful best colors ideas and best designs ideas for my channel. So guys, you will see the stylish and most beautiful modern and beautiful styles, most beautiful best dresses ideas, big designs, fun designs and so viewers, you will see the stylish and latest new modern contrast ideas and dresses designs, new upcoming latest beautiful videos and most beautiful latest new styles, new designs ideas from my channel. Easy styles, easy collections and most beautiful best easy designs ideas and most beautiful best dresses designs ideas from my channel. All collections and beautiful all styles, most beautiful fabulous and latest new videos and most beautiful latest new designs ideas and beautiful new styles, new patterns and how much beautiful and stylish upcoming and most beautiful best dresses designs ideas. So latest and most beautiful new styles and most beautiful best new designs ideas and beautiful uh, Binari dresses designs ideas from my channel. So guys, don't skip my videos for watching my videos. How much beautiful and latest and if creative beautiful more than hundreds of new designs ideas from my channels, new collections, easy patterns, easy style, beautiful styles and most beautiful best dresses designs ideas. So guys, you will see the stylish and unique all creative, most beautiful, latest unique all beautiful styles and most beautiful best designs ideas, beautiful dresses designs and latest unique all beautiful videos. Easy styles, easy designs and most beautiful best easy collections and most beautiful best easy videos. So guys, this is the stylish and unique new all beautiful modern and most beautiful latest unique new best designs, beautiful best patterns. And unique new all creative most beautiful popular new styles and most beautiful best dresses designs ideas and most beautiful best dresses videos. So you will see the stylish and unique new all latest beautiful styles, most beautiful best designs ideas and best videos. So guys, how much beautiful and unique new all new designs and most beautiful best new videos. Latest and unique new all creative most beautiful best designs and most beautiful best dresses ideas and beautiful patterns. So thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and don't skip my videos. Latest unique new all beautiful designs and most beautiful best videos. And most beautiful best dresses ideas, beautiful awesome collections and unique new all modern latest and beautiful videos. So guys, you will see the stylish and latest unique new all best designs, most beautiful best styles and beautiful best ideas from my channel. So guys, thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos and don't skip my videos. Latest unique new all modern and beautiful styles, most beautiful best dresses ideas and most beautiful best videos. Stunning and stylish, easy patterns and beautiful best designs ideas and beautiful best dresses ideas from my channel. Easy patterns and latest unique new styles and most beautiful latest new designs and beautiful best videos and latest unique new all Easy patterns, easy ideas, and latest unique new all best styles, best designs. Half sleeve dresses ideas, sleeveless dresses designs ideas for my channel. So till the next video viewers, and enjoy my videos, latest and outstanding new all best modern, most beautiful best more than hundreds of new designs, ideas, and most beautiful best printed dresses designs, beautiful awesome colors and color combination, latest unique new all beautiful evening dresses designs. And most beautiful best modern and latest unique new all creative new collections, beautiful styles, beautiful patterns, and most beautiful best dresses items my channel. Outstanding and most beautiful best new patterns and creative all back designs, front designs, button details, dresses designs ideas my channel. So guys, till the next video viewers, enjoy my all videos and don't skip my videos for watching my videos. Latest unique all creative beautiful patterns and most beautiful best designs ideas and most beautiful best dresses patterns. So thank you so much viewers for watching my all videos, and don't skip my videos. And latest easy styles, beautiful best easy designs ideas and most beautiful best easy pattern. Latest unique all creative and most beautiful and stylish best videos and most beautiful best ideas and new patterns, awesome styles, beautiful best dresses ideas. So thank you so much viewers for watching my videos, and don't skip my videos latest